ले जब मन के तभी आएगा ना चल।
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube. Now we have the problem. System 1, there is oil blockage. So could you see that here oil we have removed from here, and it was blockage from oil pressure switch. Yesterday it doesn't work because of the filter blockage. Now you can see here the filter is absolutely blockage. No chance to see here, and some oil pressure doesn't support. So this is your main MCB, which is 200 amperes. This is your contactor, compressor contactor 1 and compressor contactor number 2. The condenser fan motor contactor, condenser fan motor contactor number 2. This is your PCB supply for the thermostat for both systems, and this is condenser fan 1 and condenser fan motor 2. This is your system. Now it is in off mode. You can press simply in on, system will work in on position and system will work as 2. So this is the old system. Its name is Petra, and that's it. Okay.